as we have solved every transaction, let us now check the status of the balance sheet. It says, okay, so let us look this into detailed balance sheet, or you can also press Alt F1. Right here is a capital account, that is the A entry. Let's compare it with this right here. Okay, so this first entry is right here. You can see 10,000 is received and cash was brought in, that is 10,000 is also increased. Okay, so deposited into bank rupees 15,000, and right here I have with me bank was increased 15,000 and cash was decreased 15,000. So like this you can check out all the entries. I'll show you quickly the picture of a profit and loss account. So this is how a profit and loss account looks. For detailed version press F1, Alt F1, because it is underlined. Okay, so sales was 7,000 rupees. Purchase was, we did not have any opening stock. Purchase was rupees 2,800, and yes, what's left of the stock is right here. This is closing stock, and we did advertisement expense, that is rupees 500. Salary expense, that is rupees 500 also. Commission was received 50, interest received rupees 100. This is our income. This is what a profit and loss conventional account looks like, and the total net loss of the business is 850. So you can check your answer with mine, and let's check out the balance sheet also. And yes, balance sheet, detailed version of the balance sheet. So the total of the balance sheet right here is 11,000 and 11,000. Okay, so as you can see right here, I'll recommend you to study this sheet, this balance sheet. I'll recommend you to solve this questions again, and right here you have your solutions. Also you can use the cheat sheet which will help you solve all these questions, but Tally doesn't need it much. Also this might look tough in the start, but when you start doing it and when you start to see the magic of reporting, that is automatically when we create a journal entry, all the things are posted and the balance sheet and financial statements are created. So yeah, also I recommend you to check out DAL and check out each and every account, that is each and every ledger. Suppose let's check out cash. So these are all the entries in the cash account, and this is the cash ledger. You can create it as T, but this is how every accounting software creates. For more simplicity, first entry was receipt, then it was contra, payment, sales, receipt. Okay, and if you want, you can open any of this entry and you can change any of this entry from here. Okay, accept. Okay, so see you in the next lecture.